The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama, has issued a tornado warning for the following county: Madison and North Central Alabama, effective until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Madison, or about 11 miles northeast of Huntsville, and was moving northeast at around 55 miles per hour. Locations that will be impacted by this storm include Madison, Huntsville, Capshaw, Redstone Arsenal, Mount Carmel and Huntsville International Airport. For your protection, take cover on the lowest floor of a sturdy building that is away from windows. If no such shelter is available, take cover in the innermost room of your home or business, or as a last resort, lay flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head with your hands.